Lexington County in central South Carolina, northwestern Richland County in central South Carolina, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Highway 6 at Lake Murray Dam, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbia, Lexington, West Columbia, Irmo, Forest Acres, Springdale, St. Andrews, Highway 6 at Lake Murray Dam, Red Bank, Dentsville, Oak Grove, Arcadia Lakes, Fairfield County Airport, Columbia International University, Jenkinsville, Killian, Harbison State Forest, Riverbank Zoo, Sesquicentennial State Park, and Ballantini. This includes the following highways: Interstate 126 between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 45 and 78. Interstate 26 between mile markers 90 and 111. Interstate 77 between mile markers 16 and 28. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Severe thunderstorms can produce large capsizing waves and frequent lightning. If on or near Lake Murray, move away from the water and take shelter. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Fairfield, South Carolina.